How to make monjayaki. Pour some oil in a frying pan or hot plate. Turn the ingredients such as cabbage and rice cake out onto the hot plate and heat them up. Make sure to keep the dashi liquid left in a bowl. Now it's time to chop up and cook the ingredients. Let the heat go through, and once the mixture is softened, shape it into a hollow circle. Pour the mixture into the center of the dome. In case you have mentaiko or pollock roll as your toppings, it's the best to chop it inside a ring-shaped dome to extend it evenly. Once the dashi liquid is less runny, mix everything well. And as all the ingredients are mixed well, spread thin layer evenly. Sprinkle with some aonori seaweed, and it's finished. How to eat monjayaki. Pull off a portion with a spatula-shaped spoon, press down on it to get the piece to stick to your spoon, and eat.